sorry if I froze there. I didn't know if it was. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay. Anyways, I'll have to say I hope you enjoyed this video. But today we are making Rice Krispie slime. Okay, focus. It's like crunchier than foam. Yes, guys. You don't eat foam beads. If I would have to say, you would probably have all the supplies in your house. Yes. You don't even need clear glue for this recipe, which is a big deal. I made a big batch of it actually. I mean, pretty decent size. But yeah, let's get on with the video.
Yeah, so if you haven't seen my musically of this, it's how to make stress balls. I'm just saying that right now. But it's really cool. It's a really cool thing to do. And just get out. But yeah, so what you'll be needing. Some white glue. I'm just using this because I'm almost out of it. Well, not almost. It's like half, if you can't see that. Yeah. Just got another one. So anyways, you'll need some white glue, not clear glue. And I'm sure you can do it with white glue. And clear glue. Some borax solution. I don't have much left in here, but it's just a soap bottle with borax solution in it. I put 1 cup of hot water and a teaspoon of borax. Yeah. And lotion is optional. I actually didn't put lotion in this. I'm just guessing. Food coloring is optional also. I'm just not going to put food coloring in it. And last but not least, some rice. Or I think it's some rice. I haven't used it yet. I'm going to use this half bag, one label. So
Now let's get on with the video. Again.
okay, so I'm just going to put some my glue in there. I would have to say that would be a gallon. Okay, I'm not putting food coloring in it, guys, because I made I don't know to call this Rice Krispie. I don't know, it just looks like it and it sounds like it. Okay, so you don't need shaving cream for this. I mean, I guess it's optional, but I wouldn't do it. I'm just going to add some of the lotion, not too much. That should be good. Just stir that together. Okay, you did that. Now, just add your borax and do it slowly. I just like pour it like over it. But anyway, just gonna stir it. I'm just using every disposable bowl because like it's easier than just washing bowls or whatever. Yeah, I got like 20 of these for like $4. So I'm just gonna put some more or that solution in here altogether if you want to stay it fancy. I don't know. These times this spoon is like this spoon that I'm using. I'm not can't put mine again. Maybe there's a plastic spoon. Okay, I think that should be good to go on this. Maybe not. Yeah. Sorry, it's background noise. Keep stirring. Sorry if this video like accidentally pauses. Because sometimes my phone does that and I have to put it together. So, yeah. I'm just gonna more borax solution. It's so weird. It's strange at the same time. I'm doing a video. Seems like it takes longer to make this. Enough to just put it on the table. Yes, I need more borax, I know this. Yeah, I think it needs more borax. There's a lot of time once you're like, it's already on the table. Don't want it too sticky. I mean, just regular slime. To your taste. This is like the most basic slime recipe ever, and it's taking forever. I don't know, it's so different, like regular slime than fluffy slime. Well, there, but there's no right there. But like, because it's thicker, it seems like, and the fluffy slime is more soft. But I don't know, it's just so different. If you always make fluffy slime, then like just make regular slime. Okay, now a little bit more. Make sure everything's out of it, because we are going to put the rice in it. Or unless you want to put it in a separate bowl, whatever. So now you'll be needing your rice. Don't put the whole packet, unless you put like 2 bottles of glue. But unless your taste things are different. Okay. Just making sure it's going to be alright. Are you guys liking my slime channel so far? If so, give this video a like. Just saying this right now. But I just want to know what you guys think of it. What should I do next? Okay. Now I'm just...
Sorry for the background. You probably can't hear this ASMR, but whatever. Now I just want to mix it in with the rice. It'll absorb all the rice into the slime. And yes, it will actually stick to the slime. And the rice will actually not fall out, which is actually super surprising. And it's alright if your slime gets sticky. As you can see, it's actually getting a bit sticky. But all you have to do is just keep kneading it to your taste. And it's a soup, probably one of the crunchiest slimes I've ever heard. And it beats the foam. Just saying this. But this is how it is so far. It's very nice. I'm not even kidding. So I'm going to actually put some more rice. Because I like it where it's like, you can actually make a square. Right now you can't make a square with it since it's like more slime than the actual rice. But it doesn't seem like that, but whatever. Now you just want to put it in more. I think I'm just going to call this like sushi rice. I don't know. But it's a pretty normal name. Or just like singing rice. It's a really awesome slime. Okay, I said this again, but I'm saying it again for like the 100th time. I recommend this because it's so simple, guys. You should have these ingredients. You don't have to use borax for the slime, actually. You can use staff load, laundry detergent, contact lens solution, all those other kinds. So that's really cool. And it makes it like 10 times the size. So let's see. If it doesn't, well actually I'm just going to add some more borax if you can't tell. Into my slime mixture. Wow, that crunch though. Let me see if it can actually make a ball or a square. Well, as you can tell, it's just sinking, so we're going to add some more rice. You guys do not have to. This is totally optional. Just going to add in the rest of the rice into the bowl. Because I just got this 70-cent pack at Walmart. So, yeah. They have them at the dollar store, I think so, too. So, yeah, go check that out. It's really cool. Just going to go ahead. Okay, guys, it's not the end of the video. It turns out I tried to put water in this, And as you can tell, it actually crunches now, like this one. But anyways, this one, don't put water in it if you haven't when you made the slime already, and with the rice in it, if you didn't put water in it. Okay, here's more simple. Glue, water, not the full thing, not half a cup water, not half a cup of glue. Probably like a cup of glue and like a half cup of water. But, or you could do both. But, so how I fix this is this is the same batch. I tested out like a big chunk of it, of course, but I put water in it. I accidentally put a lot in it. It made it sticky and all that. I want to call this kinetic rock, guys. Because look, it does what kinetic rock does. Should I call it rice slime or kinetic slime? Okay, but anyways, guys, make sure you don't put water in it. But now it crunches. Okay, I made a little bit more slime, probably. Wait. Okay, I made this slime too. Not to put in it, but to make sushi out of it. I already tried it before, and it's pretty good. I put it in some of the white slime and made it look like sushi. I'm going to do one of the.
On Musically, when the TV show South Africa, so I made this just to be like sushi. So what I did to make this crunchier, I actually just made this new batch of it. Not a new batch, but like this much of the jiggly slime. Like not even a cup of glue, probably this much glue, then half of this of water. Then I mix it in, and it works very well. And this is the one I made, very first one I made.
Then I mix it in, and it works very well. And this is the one I made, very first one I made. Not off camera or anything like that. But okay, now make sure you subscribe and like and comment. Bye, guys.